Hey everyone, and welcome back to Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? I'm here with my co-host. Where's my co-host? Where's my co-host? Riley? Riley, are you back here? Riley? Riley McKilwang? Where'd he go?
Explore! Oh god, get out! Expert fan system!
Hello and welcome back. Riley's not here with us. I don't know where he went, but today I'm just gonna be microwaving an amiibo. You can see it right here. Here's the amiibo. Now let's just pop it in. Just pop it in. Let's just pop it in. Just get it in there. Just get the fuck in there. You know, Riley McKilwang would usually do that.
Alright, Jory, how long do you think we should put that in there for?
I think a good 604 minutes. So you can see, it's really it's really smashing. It's on fire. It's smoking. Better turn on the fan system. Well, looks like we need a new fan system.
How many brothers fell victim to the street? Rest in peace, young nigga. There's a heaven for you. Be alive.
Oh god, get out!
My nigga. But life goes on. How many brothers fell victim to the street? Rest in peace, young nigga. There's a heaven for you. Be alive. If I told you that I never thought of death, my nigga, we the last ones left. Life goes on. Fell through the air.
Baba Bowie.